Hello guys, so if you're looking to change the background theme of your chess.com, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, firstly just simply go to a browser of your liking, then just simply log in into your chess.com account. Now, as you can see, I already have a theme applied on my chess.com. Now I'm going to show you how exactly you can do this as well. So for doing that, just simply go to settings, all settings, then click on themes, and over here you'll find multiple themes. And if you don't like dark mode, you can also disable that over here by turning this off, and then the dark mode will be disabled. But I like the dark mode, so I will just simply enable it. Now to change the theme, you will find multiple preloaded themes over here, as you can see over here. Now all you have to do is just simply click on any theme, and the background and the chessboard and the chess pieces, including the sound itself, will change. So let me show you. So as you can see, the chessboard itself has changed and the sound as well. So to again change the theme, just simply go back and choose any theme of your liking. Let's say for example this one. Just simply choose that, click on it, give it a few seconds, and the background is changed. So go back to the previous tab, refresh the page, and over here as you can see, the theme changed again. Now you can also upload a custom theme over here if you want to. So for that, I've already made a video which you can check in the channel. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.